The main reason I started this class was because I see a lot of mistakes in court on the other side. As you were mentioning, often attorneys aren't prepared to deal with their evidence with video and audio, and I see tons of mistakes, not just like playing back the video properly, but actually understanding it and using it. We do the research. We understand that those details can be very important. Metadata isn't what you're watching, it's the data implanted behind a video or a still image. It's the date it was recorded, the GPS information behind a video, where it was taken. You can actually bring up on a map the system used to record it, the software program that was used to manipulate it. And they hired us to investigate the metadata on pictures that she said showed examples of abuse. Here's the metadata. She wrote on the bottom the date took place. It says 9/27 or 29, something like that, 2014. So remember that, 9, September. We got a hold of her hard drives, her cell phones, even stuff that's been erased on cell phones, sometimes we can restore. We found a piece of data, a still image, similar to the exhibit. You can't deny this is pretty similar, right? She didn't bring this one. And we found another one. Strikingly similar, right? They seem to be duplicates, but are they? No, not if you look at the metadata. The metadata is actual metadata from the pictures. Here's one date, top left, June 30th, 2014, okay? Other picture, different date. This is September 28th, 2014. That date, that's much later, months later, matches the exhibit, the later one, but the earlier one doesn't. We helped prove the damage happened at least June 30th. The attorney did an amazing job. The judge threw out the case in the middle. We're including a lot more VR now, scanning with drones, scanning with laser scanners on the ground. We'll show you some of that.
NBC4 News at 6 starts now with breaking news.
For the first time, a pursuit on horseback ends with a man tased and beaten on the ground.
Two deputies begin to punch and kick him, even using the taser to strike him. More deputies show up, a total of 11, and some of them also strike the suspect. It lasted 2 minutes and 11 seconds. During that time, we counted 37 punches, 17 kicks, and 4 baton strikes.
2-hour chase. The guy stole a car, crashed it, then stole a horse from a guy. That's what we got going here. We were hired, and I'm going to give you one specific thing to determine how tall the bushes are around the area. That's it. That's all I'm going to talk about right now. There's other things in the case. We were working on this case for a long time, but how tall were the bushes around the incident? So we brought a scanner in to do detailed laser scanning, created this 3D model. I'm going to show you a little video of that right now. So when the officers come running up, immediately he's right in front of them. Why is that important? Well, it just gives you a sense, one of the details of the case, which is what the officers were facing when they come upon this person around a corner. Let me show you another example. Which lane is a car in? I'm not going to go into details of why it's important. I want to show you how we built this 3D model. You go to the location, we had a photographer go and take a lot of pictures. You mark a lot of spots on the model. Once you create a 3D model, you want to match it to the surveillance frame that you pick. Here's the original picture. 3D model now is laid over the frame. You can see it's able to be moved. That's the street. And this box here is the 4 tires of the car. So we can determine exactly which lane the car was in.